How to turn on Google Translate on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Search application on your phone. The Google Search application offers a wide range of uses beyond basic web searching, leveraging various technologies and features to provide comprehensive information and assistance. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, scroll down and go to Settings as shown. From here, go to Other Settings. And then, scroll down and tap on Google Translate. On this page, turn on the Enable Google Translate feature. When this feature is turned on, the Google app will offer to translate pages written in other languages using Google Translate. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Google Translate on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.